Okay, today I'm going to show you a couple of different methods that you can use when you're doing long division. The first way I'm going to show you is just the traditional way. It's called an algorithm, the traditional algorithm, and you just go one digit at a time. So if you have 2, can you make a group of 3? The answer is no. You can put a 0 up there to hold the place, or you can just ignore it, depending on what works for you. So then we look at 26, moving one digit over. How many times can 3 go into 26? Well, if you're not sure, you can do your count bys. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So then when I'm looking for 26, it'd have to be right here because I can't go over. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And what was 8 times 3? It was 24. So you divided, then you multiplied 8 times 3 and got the 24. So now we subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we need to bring this 8 down. So now we're starting over because 28 is more than 3. Well, looking at the same list, how many times can 3 go into 28 before it goes over? Well, now we're right here because 30 is too much and 24 is not enough. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So now the 9 goes up here, and I'm only looking at 9. 9 times 3 gave me 27. And you subtract again. If you only have 1, can you make a group of 3? No. So it has to be a remainder. So the answer is 89, remainder 1. Now the other way you can do this is called the break apart method. It's the same thing. If we take 268 and we know we want to share it with 3 friends, then I'm going to get 3 friends down here. So then I'm going to use my number sense to figure out what I know and what's going to be easiest. I like to start with 100s first, if I can. Well, looking at it, if I have to share with 3 friends, am I going to be able to give each friend 100? 100, 200, 300. No, I don't have 300. I only have 268. So I'm going to try 50s. 50, 100, 150. Well, I have more than that, so I can do that. So I'm going to say, I'm going to share 50 with each friend. 50, 100, 150. I have used 150. So I subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8, 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So I have 118. I'm not going to be able to do 50 again, but I can do 20. So I do 20, 40, 60. I've now used 60, and I subtract, borrow and regroup, so I have 58 to share with 3 friends. Well, 20 is not going to work because that gave me 60, so I'm going to move and I'm going to use, I already used 20, I'm going to use 10. 10, 20, 30. I'm going to move this over here so we can see it. 58 minus 30. We still have 28. What can I share with each of my friends? If I still have 28, I can't give 10, so let's try 5. 5, 10, 15. I have now used 15. I subtract, I'm down to 13. So, can I do 2? 2, 4, 6. 7 means I still have enough to do some more. 2, 4, 6. There's my remainder 1. Really, you're supposed to write over here what you're giving to each friend, but if I just look within this circle right here, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, I shared 89 with each of my 3 friends, and I have 1 left over.